Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss how to install Cursor on Windows operating system. To download the software in Google search box write there Cursor, then go on this cursor.com site. Then you can see here you can use this on Windows, Mac or Linux. So you can see this here. Let's click on this download for Windows. 179 MB is the file size total. So this here exe files is there. Cursor user setup exe file, and this is now currently downloading. Now you can see exe file that's downloaded. Simply you can click on this open or open folder. So let's go there on open folder, and this here cursor exe file, double click to this. There you can see installation wizard that's come there. Click on next. Next cursor here icon, next, and click on install. So this here installing this Cursor ID inside the Windows. So this is the one of the best ID for AI developer. This done here. Let's uncheck. If you want, then you can launch from here. This you need to click on finish. Cursor that's come there. Click to this. See the best way to code with AI, sign up or login. So if you don't have a account, then you can do there sign up, or already have, then click on this login. So this is currently loading there, and this you can continue sign in. So there you can do the login with Google, GitHub, Apple or Cursor account. So let's do with Google account. All set, free, feel free to return the cursor. Let's go back here. You can see the cursor is ready. Let's click on this new project. So you can project open any, or here I already have project, so that opening the project. So this is in desktop, project X. Let's click on this select. So project or that's come there. Here you can see new agent are there. And this here with the new cursor. Later I will try this. Here on this agent, let's give hi for testing. So this is now returning. That means this is working there. Hi, what can I do? And this here Python file. So Python file run start debugging. So we need to get their extension. Let's click on this find extension. So this here is now finding the extension for Python. So this first one that's going to select, that's come from Microsoft. Click on install. So click on install. So this here Python extension that's so currently installing there. After that you can easily run their Python codes. So agent is also working, and I'm going to do the testing for Python coding. Now this is installing currently Python extension. This all you can see there. So this is the one of the best ID for developer that want to use their agent. Now this turn. Let's thereafter close this one, and now run start debugging. Python debugger, Python file. So this you can get there according to given code. This is returning the output. Okay, so this is how we can do their installation of Cursor inside the Windows and thereafter run the codes. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.